Displaying files and people you shared. In this video tutorial, you will learn to display the files and people you shared. When you click the My Shared Files option from the File Actions menu on the left menu, the files you shared are displayed in the panel that appears. When the Users button on the right of the Shared Files is clicked, whom the file are shared is displayed. When we click on the Settings button, the authorizations of the user with whom we share the file appear. User authorizations can be changed instantly from here. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.